you're a good team if you can come together and work together to find the right solution that's going to work for everybody. And ultimately, the owner is the one it's their building. They're the one that are buying the building and buying the design. So ultimately, it's going to go into what they want, and the team's got to find out the best way to do that.
We'll talk more about this probably later down this session, because I want to know exactly where is the breaking point between what's safe to deliver and what's beautiful to deliver, right? At the final product, right? So we'll just kind of talk a little bit more about it. But I'm really interested to know, what is the alternate delivery projects like design, build, and IPD? And I know that you have very extensive expertise there. So what does that mean in particular?
So I'll give you kind of the high level view and a little bit of the history of how buildings are procured. Typically, and if an owner wanted to build a building, they would hire a design team to design it. They would design it all the way, and then they would go to a contractor and say, all right, you all need to whoever can give me the lowest price for this, you can be the one to go build it. And that was called design, bid, build. We would design the project, somebody would bid it, and then they would go build it. That changed a little while ago, and they started bringing the contractors on a little bit earlier to help make good decisions during design that were aligned with what the market could provide. If concrete was short, for instance, the construction team might know that better than the design team would, and they can help put that kind of input into the design as the design is happening. So they were brought on early, but still the owner hired the contractors separately from the designer to design and build the building separately. Design builds graze that completely. And so the owner, if they want to build a building now, they go out and hire one design build entity that includes a designer and the builder to design and build the project. And during the design, they have to weigh the cost, they have to weigh, and the design builder is responsible for bringing that project in under budget. So the design builder can influence the design based on bringing the project in under budget, because that's their prime responsibility.